Hi, this is Melody Kane, and this is my presentation on effective communication. In the college setting, there will be communication between different project team members. One important best practice is using the correct communication channel. So it's important in your college to understand what the preferred method of communication is and what stage of this communication are you in. So in the initial getting to know another faculty member, it might be appropriate to go out to coffee. It might be appropriate to meet in the library. It might be important to meet at the other faculty members' office hours in their own office. And another way that might be an appropriate initial contact would be just to send an email. The second thing that's important when coordinating with another faculty member is to know our audience. So who am I collaborating to provide the best resource for, and to answer that question? Then it's important to clarify the topic. So what level of expertise do the other faculty member and myself each hold? What do we each bring to the table? And it's important to just utilize those resources. Realize that us together is more powerful than each of us on our own. And then it's also appropriate to practice appropriate timing. So there are times when I need to start and initiate this process a few months in advance. There are times when it's not appropriate to beat a dead horse, but I just might need to get in touch with that person a week or so in advance. So it's important to understand the timing for whatever my collaboration requires. The next thing to look at is, why is this so difficult in a college setting? Some of the reasons can include difference in experience. I personally come from a homeschooled background, so my experience is different from a coworker who was educated in a public school setting entirely. Also, what colleges we each came from and their cultures play into it. So my undergrad was from the University of Wyoming. My master's program is being acquired through Grand Canyon University. Both of these universities provide very unique cultures, and the culture of the colleges that the faculty member that I am coordinating with me have also been different. So we need to take these things into account. And a third area that can make it difficult to coordinate with another faculty member to bring the best content to my students is that there tends to be a habit of listening to respond versus listening to hear or to understand. A good way to combat this habit is to make sure that I'm rephrasing as I meet with that other faculty member. That shows that I'm being attentive and that I hear what they're bringing to the table. Ways that I could de-escalate a situation if things start to just get out of control and be uncomfortable is to remember the golden rule. So I want to treat others the way that I want to be treated. This brings respect and honor to both parties in a collaboration, and really helps us to approach each other in a way that shows honor and respect. Another way to de-escalate some of those situations would be to remember to love my neighbor as myself. So this isn't just about me and looking good in front of my students. It's being loving towards that other faculty member that I'm collaborating with. Here are the references that I used in putting together this presentation. I used the Chronicle of Higher Education's article, Achieving a Culture of Communication on Campus by Boyer, and also watched and listened to the Think Fast, Talk Smart communication techniques that was located on YouTube and brought by the Stanford Graduate School of Business. I hope that this finds you blessed and enjoying a good summer. Bye.